motivation. Suck a nigga, get on your job. If you hate, get on your job, nigga. You can look me in my eyes, see I'm ready for whatever. Anything don't kill me, make me better. I ain't dead, nigga. You can take the fame and the cheddar and the game and the
Welcome to
what we're gonna do?
Outlaw Performance Garage. Like my gay color, bro.
I'm putting that on. I'm putting that on YouTube. Just to let you know. Clint Daddy at Heisenberg something at Instagram. What is it, James?
Hey.
Heisenberg something. Check him out. He likes. I have nothing to get. By the way.
Yeah, I got my toenail slip in the back.
Oh yeah.
What?
Yeah, that's how you know. Don't mess with that guy. He's got issues. No.
So don't pull the cat feet, pull the rack.
Wow.
Bro, are you gonna?
Hey, Brian. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'll take care of it. I got you, bro. If it's a ballast, I told you. That's Brian right there, the mad rap master right there. He's laying down some chrome on the Hellcat.
Blue chrome.
Blue, royal blue chrome to be exact.
Sapphire.
Wow. Can you imagine what this car is gonna freaking look like, Clint?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Gay.
That is not gay.
I know, I'm kidding.
F you.
Nah, man, I'm just kidding. This car's gonna be hard.
I can't believe you don't see cars like that.
I just saw one the other day.
It takes like freaking right here, bro.
I saw a Fiat.
A Fiat, shut the hell up.
No, it was a Prius.
You're messing up the video. Wow. How you doing?
We're a family company.
So this is Brian, is a family company, and he's the owner of Mad Raps, and this is the guy that's making all this magic happen. Let's see. I mean, I believe in his skill. He's badass.
We can't screw up any material, but we're gonna try it with no squeegee on here and see what happens.
Ooh.
Just get the cap sheets up.
Okay, so, hey, how do you take care of this wrap after, like, you know, when it gets dirty? Do you just treat it like paint? Will it start scratching up? Is there a certain spray to spray on this thing?
I should go like this until they start paying me, right? These are the only squeegees I use. Oops, did I block the name?
No, you got it.
I'm not paid to show you which one.
Okay. He's got to keep his trade secrets, guys.
No, urinate on
Man,
It's packaging, man. This is what I'm paying for. You look at it, you pay for packaging.
Wow.
I don't need fancy packaging. I just need
that piece.
this.
Dang. All that packaging for that little ass piece.
Hey, I'm putting a brand new squeegee on for you, by the way.
I appreciate that. Look at these tires, guys. This is what's really transforming this car too. Oh, we got to pull that off. I still love that color. That freaking color. It's unreal. It's unreal.
The color of the abandoned?
Yeah. It's unreal. I know you hate it, but man, it's unreal.
The car would have been the Vallejo Star.
The Vallejo Star. Wow, this is, I can't believe, I'm about to cry. I'm about to cry right now. With the song you got playing, with the little song you got playing, man.
It's a big song, bro. It's beats. All we rap to.
Oh. No. Oh, is this Bieber?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that reflection. Look at his ugly reflection in there. It's so clear. Wow. Yeah, this is awesome. It's coming together.
You had to get chrome, huh?
Had to, man. Yeah, but that's why I came to the right spot. Wow. It's phenomenal.
Yeah.
Oh my God. You don't see this shit.
What brand is this, Brian?
Tech brand. Well, the biggest thing is just knowing
I
how
don't
to,
know all the little secrets and tricks because like I don't know all the little tricks that you guys do.
biggest thing is just knowing how to fix it when you screw it up.
There you go.
No, if you fucking screw it up, just take it to you.
I mean, that's why I went out and did like certifications and stuff, because I just realized I have no idea how to fix this shit if I screw it up.
Wow. It's happening. It's happening. Oh man.
I think like your color, Camaro, and she has all these crazy ghosting patterns in the back. It was so dope. Oh hell, the shadow all like this, coming all the way through there, that, and it was all ghosting real pretty. And then she, I think, got rid of it, sold it, got itself a.
All right, we're getting this done.
And then what I'll do is get the whole car done. And then if there's a panel that, you know, if there's a panel that came out really good but not perfect,
Yeah.
then once we see how much film we got left, we can go back and decide, do we want to redo this, do we want to redo that?
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, because
I'm gonna want to redo a lot.
that's what happened to me.
And I guess what?
I like Ford.
I'll pay. I'll pay money to redo shit.
You know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
Whoa, look at the spectrum of color. Wow. Look, I like that. I wonder how bright it gets in the sun.
Right.
Brian?
I'm gonna finish the truck. We're gonna pull the cap sheet on like the major part of your trunk, so there's no squeegee marks anywhere on your trunk.
Uh-huh.
And then I just put this. Then I put the soap and water on for this part.
Wow, this is freaking crazy. I can't believe it's going on my car. Can you imagine the entire car? That color with the freaking... Oh man, it's gonna be ridiculous.
Your girl's gonna love the color.
Your girl's gonna love the color. I don't care what she... I love the color.
No, I like the color too.
Look at that, man. My son was a... He freaking wanted this color too. Wow.
Bluish purple.
It's a royal blue. That's what they call it. Royal blue. They say... You said sapphire?
Sapphire blue is what they call it.
See, I like my favorite color is like violet.
Oh, you see my Audi, right?
No, I love violet. Like
I just wrapped my Audi in the.
In a Nosatec, and it looks like paint.
No, lavender. That's
Go
the
outside.
color.
Let's put it right here.
Oh, is it lavender? Is my shit, dude.
It's my daily, dude. I fucking
I love
love
that
it.
color, like that soft, light
Go
purple.
check it out. It's fucking hard, dude. I got my shit wrapped. Right after I got it done, my neighbor was pulling his trailer by it. I had driven it 2 days. He clipped my rear bumper with his trailer.
Oh, wow.
Put it on to a week after the other.
Dude, sorry, I didn't want you to put this in time. I was too excited.
You got sweat.
Yeah, dude.
That's what it looks like that.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah, that's why I'm not trying to.
She could have took me for alimony, of course she took me for.
Oh, she didn't get you for. Oh, okay.
You know what I mean?
I didn't know this. I thought. Yeah, never mind.
Wow.
We're doing that.
You gonna pull it out in the sun? Yeah, this thing is gonna be nasty. Wow, look at it from a distance. Yeah, man, this thing is freaking sick.
Let me know if you want to.
Whoa. There he is. That's the guy that said it, guys.
What? What did I say?
Not you, Clint. He's all covering his face. All right, I'm gonna move the car, and we're gonna pull this bad boy out in the sun, the Hellcat, and see what it looks like. Okay.
have ceramic coat when you're done.
Yeah, we're gonna do something with
Yeah,
it.
so keep get scratch and stuff. You know what I mean?
Ooh. Yeah, man, this thing is looking super sick. Wow. I gotta admit, man, it's coming out better than I thought. I didn't think the color would look this good. Man.
I'm really kind of envisioning the whole car.
Yeah. The entire car.
It's definitely stressy. Then we're still gonna need a bunch of inlays on the front and the stick area. It deforms a little, but it's nowhere near as bad as that other stuff.
Right. Well, that's what I'm saying. People that tech wrap, they always thought it was that color over there. You know what I mean? So they were labeling it fucked up. Wow.
Remember, most of these films are all coming out of the same facility.
Right.
The names on it.
They're just, well, it's like tooling. That's how I explain to people, right? Like Snap-on, Craftsman, all that shit comes from the same place.
Yeah.
But they're not the same tools. The tool facility doesn't own, or I mean, Snap-on doesn't own the tool facility. The tool facility makes tools for all the different tool companies.
Right.
It's the same with wraps. It's the same, you know, a couple of Chinese big-ass facilities making wraps. But they're not making all the wraps the same. These, you know, all these companies have chemists that come in.
Come here. Look. Wow.
I bet it looks wild on video.
This is crazy. Yeah. Yeah. That's it, guys. That's it. All right, now we're about to do the front fender. We got the chrome. We got Clint helping, learning how to freaking wrap. Ooh, there it is. Whoa. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. The what? All right.
The best for flying everywhere.
This is just looking at it is unreal. It's unreal. Okay. So we got it. Yes. So with the extra piece, we're able to wrap the flare. Yes. Good job, man.
We can always, once this is cut out, there won't be as much.
Yeah.
Shift it. It won't be a stretch, it'll just move a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Wrapping the pieces like that is kind of difficult, right? Wrapping like loose pieces like this is kind of difficult.
Yeah, well, this because it distorts. I wanted to make sure that we could like basically wrap the fender without having, because normally on these fenders, you would just cut a piece of material that was the length.
Yeah.
And then you do it like you do your sail panel. You just pull it and turn it.
Okay.
It doesn't distort, it doesn't matter. It's it's just nice long progression. But with this, with the chrome, oh man, it would just be bad.
Yeah.
All right, let's peel this and put it on.
What do you peel? The back part? Not the clear?
No, it goes the back.
Oh,
So we're
okay.
gonna make sure that corner just barely touches.
Well, you want this? Come here.
I
You
want
want
that
this?
to touch it.
No, but look, there's an exposure right here.
I know, so we're gonna move back just a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go.
You wanna grab? Here, we get it. Okay. So just make sure you cover that corner. And I'll stretch mine a little bit. Very nice. Yep. I'm covered. Good. Oh, you're way covered. I need you just barely at the edge. You're over the
Ouch.
I need a tiny bit more. Yeah, and there's barely covered.
Okay. Come down a little bit.
Your cover, Pete.
Interesting. This is cool, man.
Yeah, that's fine. Even if I gotta pull that just a little bit.
Camera's good on this phone, huh? Look at that. Get it, Brian. That's why he's called I call him the master rap, because he's the master of raps.
Almost became a bad rapper.